the big breaking story tonight, and this will be the story that will dominate the national news agenda all through tomorrow. The government has decided to release latest images of Dawood Ibrahim, and these images will be put out tomorrow morning, and that's the story you're hearing first right here on India Today, right here on the newsroom. Tomorrow morning, remember, the image that you see on your screen now is the last known image of Dawood Ibrahim. Pakistan denies Dawood's presence on Indian soil, but just before, the Pakistan National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz is to come to India. The Indian government has decided at the highest levels that the latest images of Dawood's presence on Pakistani soil will be made public tomorrow morning. Joining me for more on this is my colleague Smita Sharma. Smita, very interesting. Just a day before the NSA is supposed to land in India, the Indian government deciding that they want to take this out, put it in the public domain and show the world proof of Dawood's presence on Pakistani soil, Smita.
Absolutely, Rahul. India is in a mood there completely to up the ante on, of course, Dawood Ibrahim, the underworld Don who has been India's most wanted for the longest time. But Pakistan, like in all other cases of terrorists that India has been, of course, demanding from Pakistan, it has remained in denial about his presence. What I'm being told by sources is that in the latest pictures, unlike in those pictures, the ones that you normally see circulating in media where Dawood Ibrahim can be seen with, of course, those glasses, the mustache and watching that cricket match, these latest pictures will perhaps show him obviously much more aged than those earlier pictures. But this is to corner Pakistan if that NSA talks does go ahead, and which is the reason why, if you see Ajit Doval when he went to UAE also recently, he had carried information about Dawood's properties, those Benami properties, the kind of empires that he even runs in the UAE. So India has been building up a sort of pressure, not just through Islamabad but other countries, and for Ajit Doval, a man who has been in charge of the intelligence bureau in the past, Dawood has almost been like a pet project for him of sorts. So clearly Dawood is on top of the agenda.
And this is classic pressure building tactics ahead of a big meeting. You want to put your opponent, if it were in this situation, on the back foot, because clearly India wants to show the world proof, because what's happening tomorrow morning is very important. It's sending a message across the world that India has evidence, solid, substantial, pictorial evidence, pictorial proof of the fact that Dawood is on Pakistani soil. What's the Pakistani response likely to be? Will they just deny? They can't deny that he's Dawood. They can possibly say that no, he's not on Pakistani soil. How will they prove that those images were taken on Pakistani soil?
Absolutely, Rahul. That is a tricky question that we'll have to wait and watch for answers, because the location, unless they have managed to grab some absolutely exclusive photograph of Dawood, where the location can also be seen. Because if you were to be in Pakistan, especially in Karachi, in the Clifton area, almost every second child on street will very proudly point out to you and tell you, if you inquire him, that yes, that is Dawood Ibrahim's house. Or people actually point out to the other places, including banks, to market areas in Karachi, in and around, saying that this belongs to Dawood Ibrahim. So unless India has actually managed to capture Dawood Ibrahim in that kind of a location and is able to put out that picture, obviously Pakistan will question the authenticity of those pictures. Be ready for that. They will say that, we do not believe that these pictures are credible, or that they completely establish beyond doubt, beyond suspicion, that these are pictures that were taken in Pakistan. Their standard response always has been, every time that India has raised the Dawood issue, is that give us evidence, show us that Dawood is in Pakistan, we will act against him. So don't expect a change in that stated position, but Pakistan will clearly try and question these pictures. But it will also perhaps, domestically, Rahul, send out a message from the Indian government side, who has been questioned by its opponents within home, that the government is not serious, that it says something, it does something. They will try and send out the message that they are very serious on the Dawood agenda.
Make no mistake, this is going to be a game changer.